Hi guys, good to have you back today. And today is Wednesday, and we're still in review week, so we're reviewing the language, I think. And the other day, I remember I told you to continue reviewing, especially the topics that you have in your exam sheet. So today we're gonna. I'm just gonna tell you, like, I'm gonna give an example of how I want your presentation to be. So first of all, I think for language you have to choose two different topics to answer all the questions. So first I need you to tell you when you start the presentation, you have to say your name. Like, my name is Mrs. Uche, and you tell me today's date, and today is, you tell the date. And after that, I would like you also to tell me the questions, the number of questions you're going to be answering. For example, I'm going to be answering questions 1 and question 5, if those are the questions you want to be answering. And then you start. So of course, your mom or dad will help read out the questions. So for example, they can ask, what is a noun? And then you have to reply. A noun names an animal, a person, a place, or a thing. Okay, excuse me, you have to be seated properly, please. Be seated properly. I keep on repeating this. I don't want distractions. I don't want unnecessary noise. The video has to be very clear. It doesn't have to be done in somewhere where there is not enough light. It has to be done in a clear space, and you have to be very audible. I don't want you to scream and shout, but I want to hear what you're saying word after word, okay? So, and then when you're done with the first question, whoever is helping you to ask the question, ask the second one. Give 2 examples of nouns or whatever, and then you state them, you answer. So your job as a student have to be answering the questions accordingly. All right, it's okay if for example you take some time to think. Yeah, you can take some time and think, but I don't want the whole answers being mixed up, like you answering and then you have a cut and then you think and then you bring out something else, like kind of disorganized. So before you answer a question, make sure you've already practiced the answer, like you've already gotten used to the answer, so that when you're being asked a question, you can comfortably say the answer. All right, I don't want it being like all jumbled up, like for example, you start, a noun is place. Sorry. No, I don't want that. I don't want the sorry. Oh, no, not that. Wait. And then you start again. Okay, no. So just make sure you answer your questions accordingly, and make sure you answer all the questions under each number. Don't skip any one. So if you're answering number 1, make sure all the questions under number 1 are answered perfectly and correctly. And then whoever is helping you take the video can take the video, like focus on you and take the video, and then after your exams, it can be sent to me. So I think that's what we're going to do today in language. Please keep on reviewing the exam sheet, the questions, especially the ones you're going to be answering. Focus on the ones you choose to answer, please, so that you don't get to make any mistakes when it's exam time. All right. So tomorrow also I'm going to give a few examples of how to answer the math question. I'm trying to get my objects ready so that I can show you how to do a pictograph on a table while presenting. All right, guys, that's it for today, and don't forget, if you have questions as usual, let me know, and see you tomorrow. Bye.